Take a slice of paper and draw like this. If you want how to draw this, let me know in the comment section below. Take red and orange color. But if you want, you can use your favorite Among Us color. Use light blue color and just done it. Now take a heart paper. Use glue and just attach to it this. Cut it with gently. Take a marker or sign pen, it's obviously black color, and border the line. Let's punch it. Last part, hanging with the keychain. Wow, that's amazing! Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and share the video and subscribe our channel and never miss to hit this bell icon. Bye bye.